Hey guys, welcome to the Bravo Connection. Today we have a 2021 Corolla. I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance light. I'm going to go ahead and start the vehicle now. You should pop a message right here saying maintenance required. So we're going to go ahead and reset that. Press the back button here. And then you want to go to the menu on all the way to the right side by pressing this button. And you'll see a little sprocket right there. Go ahead and press down to vehicle settings, and now we're going to hold the OK button. Keep holding it until you enter a new menu right there. Select scheduled maintenance, press the OK button, and it's going to ask you if you want to reset, yes or no. Select yes, press the OK button, and then it's reset. Press the back button now. We'll go ahead and exit this menu. Go ahead and restart the vehicle just to confirm, see if it's reset. And there we go. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe. Catch you next time. Take care.